So let's go to the exercise. So we're just doing several of them. I will try to do almost half of them. Okay. So go to the stage 1. From question 1 to question 8, I will do the second column. Okay, the column on the right. Okay, but you have to read all the words before you're doing something. Simplify each of the following expressions and express the answer, okay, containing a power of number. You don't have to calculate the final number result. The numerical result you know, okay, you don't have to calculate, but you have to do what? You have to keep the power, okay? You copy this, minus 9 to the power 12 times 9 to the power 5. So, how to do this? Are their base are the same? Actually, they are, okay? Because this is 9, this is 9. Some people will say, hey, it's a minus here. Because this minus, it is doing nothing with this 12, okay? You just omit it like something like here. Okay, do this, just keep the minus, and then keep this 9 like the A, okay? And then 12 and 5 doing what? Addition, becomes 17, understand? Is okay? So you have to do it like this, okay? And then B, so you copy this. So we don't like this format, right? We make it the fraction format. Is it okay? So you're doing the larger one minus the smaller one. It must be a 7 minus 2, right? But where is the result? It should be at the bottom. Keep the 12, and then 7 minus 2 should be 5, and then it's a 1 here. Okay? And then this is the question 1b, and this is question 2b. Keep going. And then go to question 3b. B to the power 5 times b to the power 8. I think this is quite easy. Okay? B to the power what? 13. Understand? You're doing the addition. Is okay? Yes. Then next, go to 4b. Minus 3k squared times 5k to the power 9. Okay, so you do the number first. Okay, minus 3 times 5 becomes minus 15. Understand? And then keep the k. This 2 and 9 doing the addition become 11. Understand? Keep going. Go to question 5b. X to the power 5, y to the power 4, then x, y to the power 6. Okay? Actually, we don't need these two brackets. Okay? You can remove it. You do the multiplication directly. Okay? X and x doing with the x. Okay? Because here x is x to the power 1 actually. Understand? So you have 6x times together. Understand? So and for the y 4 and 6 doing an addition, 10. Is okay? So keep going. Go to the question 6. Go to B. 9u to the power 4v times minus 6u5 and then v2. So do what? Do the number first. Okay? 5 times minus 6 become minus 54. And then do the u. 4 and 5 you do addition. Okay, become 9. And then v. Because this v right showing nothing here, it is actually 1, okay? It's a v to the power 3, understand? Keep going. Go to 7b. So y to the power 3 divided by y to the power 9. Make it a fraction. So you have to do the larger one minus the smaller one, right? So where's the result? It's at the bottom because this 9 is bigger, okay? So you keep the y. 9 minus 3 becomes 6, and then 1 here. Understand? So go to A, B, copy, b squared over b to the power 8. It is actually at the fraction form, right? So you do the bigger minus the smaller, okay? The answer should be at the bottom. So keep the b, and then to the power 6, 1 above. Understand? So keep going. Next page, go to question 9. We do the B. minus 15k squared divided 5k to the power 6. Make it a fraction. So always do it like this. Draw the fraction line first, always do this. And then you're going to do some simplification. 15 and 5 can do some cancellation, right? When you cancel the 5, it's a minus 3 above. Understand? For the K1, do what? The larger one minus smaller one, right? Whereas the result is at the bottom, so it's a K6 minus 2 become 4. Okay? Not all the things above or not all the things below. Understand? Next, going to 10. Question 10, B minus 6u2 squared, u to the power 2 over 9u to the power 4. Keep the minus, write the fraction line, do nothing first. And then simplify the number. 6 and 9 use the 3 to cancel, right? There's a 2 above and then 3 below. And then for the u, you have to do what? 4 minus 2, right? But your answer is at the bottom. So 2 squared at the bottom. I think you understand what I'm doing. Is it okay? So keep going. Go to 11, B. Copy r to the power 3 s to square. And then at the bottom is r to the power 7. So next step, write the fraction line first. So you have to do the cancellation. R to the power 3 cancel with the r to the power 7, right? So your answer should be at the bottom because this 7 is bigger, okay? 7 minus 3 is 4, understand? For the s squared, nothing to cancel with, just copy. Is it okay? So keep going. Go to 12. Copy the b. P to the power 3 q to the power 8 divided by this minus p to the power 9 q to the power 4. Make a fraction first. Okay. When you do this, next step, put the fraction line first, always do this. Okay, do some cancellation. Just find a p. This is a p to the power 3 and then this is p to the power 9. Which one's bigger? 9 bigger, right? So the result is here. And then 9 minus 3 is 6. Keep the minus, understand? So for the q is the a is bigger, okay? A minus 4 is 4, but your result is at the numerator, understand? Is it okay? So keep going. 13, b, s to the power 4, t to the power 18, and then 8 below, s to the power 12, t to the power 6. Okay, draw a fraction line first, do nothing with it. So keep the number a because no number to do some cancellation with a. So for the s, it's a power 12, right? 12 is bigger, so your result is at the bottom. 12 minus 4 is 8, understand? So for the t, 18 is bigger, right? So it should be above. 18 minus 6 is 12. Then this is the answer. Understand? So go to 14. We copy the b. Minus 18 m to the power 10 n to the power 7 divided by minus 33 m to the power 5 n to the power 14. Understand? So make it the fraction. Okay, keep going. Draw the fraction line. So here, minus minus become positive. The minus cancel, understand? So for this, the 18 and the 33, use what? Use the 3 to do some cancellation. For the 3 to do the cancellation, we have 6 here, and then 11 here, understand? So for the m, because this 10 is bigger, right? So the result is above, m to the power 5. For the n, 14 is bigger, right? So the result is here. 14 minus 7 is 7. Understand? It's not very difficult. It's okay? So keep going. We go to 15. B minus here, and then b squared to the power 6. So look at this. This is actually what we just revealed before. This minus is going to do nothing with the 2 and the 6, so you keep the minus. Okay? So for power to the power, so keep the b, the 6 and 2 doing the multiplication become 12, not 8. Okay? Understand? But here, what is important is that you have to know whether you need to keep it as a negative or become positive. You have to know. Understand? So go to 16b minus 3 and then q to the power 4, power 4. Understand? So what we have to do, the minus, keep it. Fraction line, the 3 keep it. Do this. 4 to 4 is 16. Understand? Any cancellation can do? No. This is the result. Okay? So go to 17b. So for this, minus 4y to the power 3. Okay, this is very important because the minus is inside the bracket. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to decide whether it's a negative or positive result. So because look at here, this is the 3, right? The 3 is odd number, so the result should be negative. And then you can distribute the power 3 to 4 and the y, and then 4 to the power 3 and y to the power 3. Understand? Actually, if this number is not very big, you can calculate, keep the minus. This is 64, okay? Understand? So go to 18, b, minus hk to the power 3. So this time, again, the minus is inside the bracket, right? Look at here, this 3 is odd number, so it's minus. So hk doing the multiplication, you can distribute the 3 to all of them, okay? K to the power 3, here, h to the power 3, understand? So go to 19, b, minus 7, pq to the power 2. So again, you see a minus inside the bracket, right? Because this 2 is even, so your answer should be positive. You can write positive or you write nothing, it's okay. And then 7 get a power 2, p get a power 2, q get a power 2. And then next, 7 square is 49. Not very difficult to calculate the number, so you have to write here. Okay, right here. You do not just keep the 7 square, understand? Is it okay? So keep going, go to 20, b minus 1 over b to the power 8. So, because this minus is going to do nothing with the a, or this minus is not inside the bracket, understand? So you keep the minus. So for this, 1 over b, actually you have to give the a to the b. Of course, you do this. But here, actually, it's doing a to the 1 to the power a. 1 to the power a meaning what? 8 ones times together. So, still equal to 1. Understand? Actually, you can jump from here to here if you understand this. Okay? So, keep going. 21b minus 2 over n to the power 3. So, you see, the minus sign inside the bracket, right? But because here is a 3, so you keep the minus. The result is minus, understand? So the 2 to the power 3, n to the power 3. Keep the minus, this becomes a, and then this is minus n to the power 3, understand? So next, 22, b. So copy it out, okay, b. So do it very carefully. So first, you see both minus outside the bracket and inside the bracket, right? So Very, very careful. For this minus sign, it's going to do nothing with this 6. Okay? You have to keep it. Understand? And then go to here. So look at here. We have a minus sign inside, right? But here is a 6. It's even. So this answer will become positive inside. Understand? So x 6, y 6 power. Understand? Like this. Is it okay? So then you remove the bracket just like this. Is it okay? Understand? So I finished all those part B in the stage 1 exercise. So you have to do those part A. Okay? So the following will be your time to do it. Thank you.